Accidents and incidents happen. Hunter Industrial certainly doesn't want to see an impact with our fans occur, but we know some applications make it possible to happen. Hunter Industrial fans are designed to maximize safety and minimize damage in the event of an unforeseen impact. In the event of an impact with a fan, please be sure to take the following precautions. The fan should have stopped spinning from the impact, as well as several fault errors will have been received by the wall controller from the variable frequency drive. First, remove power to the fan by switching off the manual disconnect at the breaker box. Once power from the breaker is turned off, unplug the power from the variable frequency drive control as a secondary assurance it is safe to approach the fan. Next, safely remove any remaining obstruction from the blade sweep area. Visually inspect the fan blades, motor, down rod, and guy wires for any visible damage. If any visible damage is seen, contact Hunter Industrial for guidance prior to restoring power to or using the fan. If no damage is experienced, restore power to the fan at both the variable frequency drive control and the breaker box. Reset any fault indications on the fan's wall controller, and then resume operation of the fan at the desired speed and direction. Hunter can't prevent all accidents. They will happen. That's why Hunter HVLS fans are designed for durability, providing your facility years of great performance and service.